Oh, he is first mini golf. Where's the hole? Look for the flag.
Hit it from here. Hit it from here. Start. This is where you start.
He's getting the lay of the hole, Papa.
Where's the flag?
Let me see. How does this hole work?
Look behind you. Look behind you.
There's the blue flag.
So come over here and hit it by Papa.
Who knew this was such a physical sport, huh, Hosea?
Look, you put the
Your
ball.
heart rate up, everything.
Put the ball behind the bricks.
What are you doing?
You ready? Pick up your club.
You must be doing something.
I know.
You're superstitious. There he goes.
Woo!
Oh, here.
Uh-oh. Not down there. Uh-oh. 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 It went all the way down.
Where'd it go?
Did it come out the other side? Are you a golfer?